Ever been overwhelmed by the stress of planning a trip? Most of us have. And it's not just the planning that can feel like a mountain to climb, it's the packing too, trying to squeeze your life into a suitcase. Then there's the unfamiliar territory, the challenge of navigating new places. So much to do, so much to remember. But don't let these stressors steal your joy of exploration. Now imagine turning these stress points into exciting steps of your journey. First up, let's tackle the stress of planning. Here are some handy hacks to smooth out the process. 1. Go digital. There are countless travel apps out there that can streamline the booking process for flights and accommodations. Apps like Skyscanner, Airbnb, and Booking.com can save you time and often money. 2. Be flexible with your itinerary. While it's great to have a list of must-see places, remember that unexpected events can occur. Having some wiggle room in your schedule can help you adapt and still enjoy your trip. 3. Do your homework. Research local customs and transportation options before arrival. You don't want to accidentally offend anyone, and knowing your way around public transport can save you a fortune. 4. Make use of online forums and travel blogs. They're a goldmine of first-hand advice and tips from people who've been there and done that. With these hacks, planning your trip can be as exciting as the journey itself. Next, we deal with the dreaded task of packing. But fear not, it doesn't have to be as daunting as it sounds. Let's make it simple and efficient with a few clever hacks. Firstly, let's talk about packing cubes. They're your best friends when it comes to keeping things organized. No more rummaging through your suitcase to find that one t-shirt. Everything has its place. Now, onto the roll method for clothes. It's a game changer. Instead of folding, try rolling your clothes. You'll be surprised by how much space you save. Plus, it helps to reduce wrinkles. Win-win. Moving on to toiletries. Opt for travel-sized versions or decant your products into smaller bottles. This will help you to adhere to the liquid restrictions at airports and save space. Lastly, pack versatile clothing items. Think of pieces that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This way, you'll have more options with fewer items. Packing can be a breeze with these clever hacks. Finally, let's conquer the challenge of navigating new places. When you're in an unfamiliar destination, getting around can seem daunting, but don't worry, we've got you covered. First up, offline maps. They're a lifesaver when you're out of service range or trying to save on data. Download the map of your destination while you have Wi-Fi, and you'll be able to navigate like a homing pigeon, no internet required. Next, learn a few local phrases. Hello, thank you, and where is can go a long way in making your journey smoother. It's not just about asking directions, it's about connecting with the culture and the people. Lastly, always keep important addresses written down. Sure, technology is great, but it can fail. Having a physical copy of your hotel address or emergency contacts can save you in a pinch. With these tips, you'll navigate new places like a seasoned traveler. So, to quickly recap the hacks for a stress-free vacation. We've explored savvy planning strategies to ensure your itinerary is seamless and efficient. We've also delved into packing methods that can make your travel experience a breeze, and we've shared tips for smooth navigation, so you can explore new places like a pro. These hacks are all about making your journey as enjoyable as possible. Remember, every journey begins with a single step. Make that step count with these travel hacks. Happy travels.